Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, checking in on oil on the daily and weekly time frame. Bears showing up in force the past 2 days. Increase in bullish volume. Increase in bearish volume. Bearish reversal candlestick yesterday confirmed. Loss of the middle Bollinger Band support. The higher low pattern is still intact. We're looking at these supports down here. 47.75, 47.26. If those levels break, we're going to start setting lower lows and see a potential midterm trend change. But as of right now, those higher lows are intact, even though we closed at the low of the day, so that indicates some weakness is coming. 3 days of bullish activity erased in 2 days of bearish activity. There's a saying people say, stairs up, elevator down. Weekly chart, clear bearish reversal gravestone doji, upper wick of profit taking. Look at this $50 level, you put your line right there. You see 2 rejections back in October, and now you see 3 rejections from here in May and June. So that $50 psychological level, we have not closed above it on the weekly time frame since July 2015. So 11 months now, still resistance, a red week next week, and we're looking for a pullback to test the 10-week moving average, which is 45.86, and we'll be closer to the low $46 range next week. We've been watching the shorter term time frames. This is the hourly downtrend chart. We are bearish as long as this stands as resistance. We have rejected from it multiple times. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see even more clearly just how steep this drop is. The move to the upside had sufficient consolidation on the 4-hour chart, sideways and little pullbacks before these big green candlesticks heading higher. Opposite is true here. We're just dumping. We had a little consolidation and now dumping again. So we will look for a short-term bounce here because of the lack of consolidation. We're getting a little oversold with how quickly we're dropping to the downside, and we're looking down at these supports in the low $48 range, and we'll be looking on the shorter term time frames for some sign of the reversal, and that hourly is going to make it clear. So that's what we're looking at for oil, looking for a short-term move to the upside because of how quickly this drop has gone. But we could see some lower highs and lower lows start forming on the daily chart, as it has been straight bullish all of April and May. So we'll keep checking back in on oil. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.